This is why you can't change chords quickly on the ukulele. Muscle memory. Perhaps you had some early success with chords on the ukulele, but now you can't seem to switch quickly enough. You know exactly what you're supposed to do, but your dumb fingers just can't do it. You see other people playing chords effortlessly on the ukulele, so maybe you should just give up because you're never gonna be able to play that G major fast enough. Never gonna be able to play those chords in time. May as well just stick to what you're good at, selling insurance. That is 100% incorrect. It may seem like other people possess a skill that you do not. See, other people don't have some special ability that you don't have. They've just put in more practice time playing chords on the ukulele than you have. So it's time to let go of I can't and move on to I can. The best way to develop muscle memory is with repetition. The way to develop muscle memory is with repetition. The way to develop muscle memory is with repetition. So simple. Let's choose two chords and practice switching between them. We'll choose F major and G major for this exercise. Let's first start by playing F major. We'll do one strum. And then let's go to G major. Now let's repeat that. F major and G major. Now I'm gonna go get something to eat. You keep practicing that and I'll be back in 20 minutes. No, I'm not kidding. Now let me tell you a little story. Back in my day, when I was learning to play the guitar, the way I got good at chords was by practicing while I watched back-to-back episodes of Star Trek: The Next Generation. Star Trek was a 60-minute show, so I could easily get in a full hour of practice within 2 episodes. You see, the secret to achieving this kind of repetition with a boring exercise is that it doesn't take 100% of your concentration. So go sit on the couch, load up your favorite show, and practice away. Make it a daily habit, and before you know it, your chord changes will be effortless. Now there's good news and there's bad news. The good news is that you'll be able to play F major and G major fairly quickly and effortlessly if you practice repetition. The bad news is that there are a lot more chords on the ukulele. For starters, I recommend learning the chords C major, F major, G major, E minor, D major, D minor, A major, and E7. That last one's a doozy. That's a lot, sorry, but you're gonna be able to play a ton of songs with those chords. Another good thing is that once you develop the muscle memory for a chord, it will virtually never go away. It's just like riding a bike. So don't quit too soon. Something to consider here is that it's difficult to measure gains. Unlike going to the gym where you can measure your gains with more weight or faster times, changing between chords on the ukulele is measured in fractions of seconds. What's taking you so long? I'm already on the next measure. So you may feel like you're not making any gains, but in reality, it's that the gains are so small that they're difficult to perceive. I recommend to keep pushing because at some point you'll have a breakthrough and the progress will become more noticeable. So don't be a quitter and watch this next video because it's gonna help your ukulele skills immensely.